For clean, sharp baseboard paint lines where baseboards meet carpet, you need the right set of tools and a clear sequence of steps. Start by using high-quality painter's masking tape specifically designed for delicate surfaces, commonly called frog tape, to protect the carpet and create a straight edge. Press the tape firmly along the carpet line with a putty knife or drywall knife to seal any gaps so paint cannot bleed underneath. If the baseboard has dents or nail holes, fill them with wood filler, let it dry fully, then sand smooth with a 120 grit sanding block, so the surface is uniform and will accept paint evenly. Use a small high-density foam roller for the main coverage on the baseboard because it lays down paint smoothly without brush marks, and follow immediately with a quality angled sash brush to cut in where the roller cannot reach. Keep the brush loaded but not dripping, and drag the brush lightly along the tape joint for a precise edge. When painting over carpet, keep a damp rag handy to clean any accidental drips right away, and work in short sections so the roller and brush blend wet paint into wet paint for a uniform finish. If you need to protect the carpet more thoroughly, lay a thin craft paper or a low-profile drop cloth over the taped edge and tape that down. But do not cover the tape seal between carpet and baseboard or you risk loosening it. Finally, remove the tape while the paint is still slightly tacky rather than fully cured to avoid peeling paint from the baseboard edge, pulling the tape back on itself at a low angle for the cleanest line. The three most common mistakes are poor tape adhesion, overloading the brush or roller, and removing tape too late. If the tape is not firmly sealed to the carpet fibers, paint will bleed, so press the tape edge down with a drywall or putty knife and inspect for any gaps before painting. Overloading tools causes drips and thicker edges, so lightly load the brush and roll off excess paint onto a tray or cardboard and apply several thin coats rather than one heavy coat. Waiting until paint is fully dry to remove tape often lifts fresh paint. Take the tape off when the paint is set but not hard, pulling the tape back slowly and at a low angle to preserve the edge. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives contractors a place to find jobs that match their skills and location, helping both sides discover opportunities easily. We also run a discussion community on the site where homeowners and contractors exchange practical tips, ask questions, and share real-world experiences about projects like baseboard painting and tool selection.